when government becomes a spectator of its own failures, there comes a point in every nation's political life when the gap between governing and performing becomes too wide to ignore. Zimbabwe has reached that point. We are governed, yes, but we are not led. The signs of everywhere. Schools without chalk, yet convoys of luxury vehicles snake through potholes, ridden roads, hospitals without painkillers, while millions are spent on foreign travel for officials who return with nothing but paid demands and photo ops. Civil servants unpaid or underpaid, while politically connected elites round obscene wealth with impunity. Samina mashoko zera antagwana chipomusarurwa achiwa achiti aiwa the gap yavapo panguva ino between governments and performance panguva ino it is now too wide. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina panguva ino Sarurwa anotarambira achiti this is not governance, it is a spectatorship, a government watching its own failures unfold, arms folded, eyes averted. What is worse is the normalization of dysfunction. When citizens are told to make a plan for basic like water, electricity, or transport, it is not resilience being celebrated. It is abdication of duty being disguised as national character. And yet, when it comes to political survival, the state is hyper efficient. Elections are organized with military precision. Dissent is met with swift suppression. Resources are mobilized not for development but for retention of power. This is a government that knows how to rule but has forgotten how to serve. The tragedy is not just in the failure to deliver, it is in the lack of shame about that failure, in the smug speeches, in the recycled promises, in the endless declarations of Vision 2030, while 2025 looks increasingly like 2008 in motion. A government that cannot educate its children, heal its sick, or feed its people, but can fund motorcades, rallies, and propaganda is not broke. It is broken. And until accountability becomes more than a slogan, until public service means more than self-service, Zimbabwe will remain trapped in a cycle of managed decline, governed but not led. Ndo mashoko anobuda panguva ino. Pera comment section medu mutsova mafungiro emurudi pamusoro pemashoko aiwa chipo sarurwa. Pera comment section medu mafungiro enyu, subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.